If your troop needs additional Girl Scout cookies after your initial order, you can use eBudde to order more from a local cookie cupboard. Depending on the options set by your council, you can set a specific day and time slot for pickup that allows you and the cupboard clerk plenty of time to process your order. To get started, just click on the Transactions tab in eBudde's navigation bar. Next, click the Add a Transaction button to open the cookie transaction screen. Here you'll see that Cupboard is the default setting in the second-party drop-down list. eBudde assumes that when you create a new transaction, it's most likely a Cupboard order. In the drop-down list to the right of the second-party menu, select the cupboard where you want to place your order. This will cause some fields in the cookie transaction screen to update, based on inventory, hours of operation, and other details about the cupboard you've selected. The receipt field will display the number that you'll use to identify this transaction in eBudde. If your selected cupboard is out of cookie varieties, you'll see that those options are grayed out. To the right of the screen, you'll see the hours of operation and any additional information. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a custom message from the cupboard clerk. This message may include critical details, such as the verification the cupboard requires to release your order. If the selected cupboard meets your needs, click the Pickup text box to begin scheduling your cupboard visit. Select a day from the Calendar tool that pops up. Depending on criteria set by your council, you may be asked to pick an hour and then a specific time slot for your pickup. Lastly, input the amount of cookies you need in either cases or packages. You'll see your total order at the bottom of these columns. eBudde enforces a variety of rules the cupboard clerk may set, including the maximum amount of cookies the cupboard can process in a single time slot. If you order a large volume of cookies, you may find that eBudde has added more time slots to your appointment to handle your request. If your order conflicts with another appointment, or if there is any other problem with your request, you'll get a helpful message instructing you how to resolve it. When you've finished your transaction request, you can either click the Save Print button to save your transaction and generate a printable PDF record you can take to the cupboard for reference on pickup day. Or click OK to simply record your edits and return to the Transactions tab. In this case, also be sure to click Save at the top of the Transactions tab to save your cupboard order. You'll see a message confirming that your changes have been saved, and both you and the cupboard will receive an email notice of the transaction. The order is now in your transactions list, sorted by the date you placed it. The order is in the pending state, where it stays until the cupboard clerk gives you your cookies. You'll also see the scheduled pickup date and the variety and number of packages you ordered. If your council allows you to edit pending cupboard orders, just click on the desired row in the list to open the cookie transaction screen to make your changes. Again, be sure to click OK and then Save when you return to the Transactions tab to complete the process. Also, be sure to remember to print yourself a new PDF record of the transaction if one is required by your cupboard. You're all set. Be sure to make a note about your pickup day and time. And if you're using the eBudde app, your cupboard appointment will appear on your calendar. You can even add it directly to your personal calendar on your phone. Thanks for watching.